Okay, I'm going to keep this video very short and right to the point. So just got my backsplash done in my kitchen, and as you can see, it's a pretty high amount away from the outlet. So that kind of makes it impossible for the old screws, which I have right here, to put this outlet back how it was. So just went to Lowe's. You could go to any hardware store and get these spacers. As you can see, you fold them to whatever size you want and add them in. I'm actually going to add these in to the height, to the proper height. And then I got these very long extra screws. As you can see, it's 1.5, number 6-32. So these are the screws that I got. One is already in place, ready to be screwed, and I'm gonna add the appropriate spacers, and that solves your problem. I already did it on this one and it's perfect. Now I'm doing that one. So that's it. Enjoy.